Hi, I'm Mark from Volkswagen Van Centre Birmingham. Here we have for you a Volkswagen Transporter. It's a short wheelbase panel van. It's also a Highline model. It's fitted with a 110 PS 2 litre turbo diesel engine, and it also has a 5-speed manual gearbox. This van is a used 70 plate. It's also an approved vehicle that has been through its 141 mechanical, electrical and visual checks to ensure the health of the van, carried out by one of our expert technicians. Now for a walk around the van. To the front, you will notice halogen daytime running headlights. In the lower part of the bumper, you will notice fog lights and front parking sensors. You'll also notice two nice chrome strips in the centre grille. It's also fitted with front assist with city emergency braking. This is designed not only to warn you against a potential crash, but the system will also assist by braking to avoid a potential collision. Moving around the van again, you will notice that it's fitted with 16-inch alloy wheels. All the wheels are in superb condition. Moving up to the mirrors, you will notice the mirror caps and door handles are painted to body colour. Also, the mirrors are heated and power folding. This is ideal for when you leave the vehicle on a busy road and also for cold winter months. And here we have a near side sliding door. Moving into the load area, you will notice a bulkhead to the back of the front seats. As I pan the video camera around, you will notice that it's been fully wood ply lined, including the floor. To the back of the van, you will notice it's fitted with rear barn doors without windows. Moving across the rear bumper, you will notice reverse parking sensors. Moving up, this van is fitted with standard rear lights. You'll also notice the transporter badge and the VW emblem on the rear doors. Moving again into the rear load area, you will notice that the wood ply-lining has been professionally fitted. Across the floor, you will notice load lashing rings. This is ideal for securing loads whilst in transit. On both doors, you will notice these door release catches, and this is the advantage of the catch. This van is painted in Indium Grey, which is a metallic paint. And now for a quick look inside the interior cab. The interior is fitted with a chunky feel leather wrapped steering wheel with multifunctional switches on both sides. Both doors have some handy storage, as you can see. Moving across the dash, you will notice cup holders and some more handy storage. Moving to the back of the van, you will notice the bulkhead to the back of the front seats. This van is fitted with 3 comfortable seats in bricks woven fabric. You'll also notice the driver's seat has 2 handy armrests for added comfort on long journeys. I've now finished my 360 walk around the van. For my next part of the video, I'd like to show you the controls inside the interior cab and also some key features on the media screen. I'm now sitting in the driver's comfortable seat. To the right of me, you will notice mirror and electric window controls. Moving down here, you will notice the van is fitted with auto headlights. Moving back to the steering wheel, to this side you will notice media controls. To this side you will notice cruise control. This particular van has covered 17,405 miles. Using the switches on this side of the steering wheel, you can change settings on the instrument cluster. I'm now going back into the audio section so I can show you that you can change the radio stations if needed. To the centre of the dash, you will notice a 6.5 colour touchscreen multimedia system with AM, FM and DAB radio. It's also fitted with an SD card reader, which you'll find down here. It's also fitted with 2 USB-C charge ports, which you'll find down here. This system also has Bluetooth connectivity, so you can use your mobile phone hands-free. This system also has App Connect. This will allow you to use your Android or Apple smartphone through the device. It also has a handy system called MirrorLink. This is ideal for streaming your most popular apps on your mobile phone. My particular favourites at the moment is using Waze for maps and also my downloaded music app. If I pop the van into reverse, you will notice that this system is fitted with a parking aid for your front and rear parking sensors. This will warn you of any obstructions when parking. Moving away from the media screen, you will notice that this van is fitted with a heated front screen for cold winter mornings. You'll also notice this van is fitted with air conditioning for hot summer days. Here we have the temperature control switch. This van is fitted with a 6-speed fan motor. Here's where you can change the direction of the heat if needed. Lastly, here we have the 5-speed manual gear stick. Now for a quick recap over my video. This is a Volkswagen Transporter short wheelbase panel van. It's a Highline model. It's fitted with a 110 PS 2 litre turbo diesel engine, and it also has a 5-speed manual gearbox. If you would like any more information on this approved used 70 plate transporter, please call 0121 514 0632 and a member of our sales team will be happy to help you with your inquiries. They'll also be able to make you a live video. This is a more personal and detailed video. Walk around the van. You could also ask the salesperson to book a test drive. You could also ask about the flexible finance options if needed. And thank you for watching.